Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Find yourself a comfortable seat. Settle into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Closing your eyes as you settle into the present moment. Now bringing your attention to where you notice the sensation of breath moving through your body most strongly. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. Avoid trying to control the breath. If it helps to anchor your attention on the flow of the breath, try saying breathing in as you breathe in and breathing out as you breathe out. From time to time, your mind will wander off. This is completely normal and allows us the opportunity to bring back our focus, each time strengthening our present state awareness. Observe each in-breath and each out-breath. And now slowly coming back to the room. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.